I don't quite know if I can put into words my experience in the bridge experience. It was absolutely mind-blowingly phenomenal, and I honestly feel like I am a completely changed and better person because of it.
Go out in the world thinking we're a certain person, thinking we're a certain way, thinking our shit doesn't stink, but really our bodies are speaking something different, but nobody's had the balls to call us on. So when we realize that about ourselves, so we got to create a training to give other people that experience. So that's what you're in for. You're welcome in advance. You're gonna fucking hate us.
Right, most of you have played your lives like within your comfort zone. You spoke to it earlier. Right? You've controlled your little environment in your little box. This is outside of that. We're purposely rattling your cage such that all that does not serve you comes to the surface, and then we take it and go shoo-boom.
They bring everything out of you that you didn't know you had inside of you.
Anybody you find on the planet who's doing anything at a high level has coaches and an environment that is set up for them to continuously better their best.
I've been to seminars with the top 10 people, and it didn't have a profound effect as what Alexi and Preston's bridge experience had for me in the first hour and a half.
I am the bridge, you are the bridge, we are the bridge. We are the context for everything that is generated in our lives. I am literally building a bridge for happiness to come into my world, for loneliness, for suffering, for joy, for money, for relationship. I'm the bridge for all of it. I'm the bridge for getting triggered. Like we're like, oh, you're triggering me. No, I'm the bridge for that. So we're constantly projecting out here because it keeps our ego safe and controlled, and we blame the world for why our life isn't working. But we're the bridge. It cannot exist in your world without you building a bridge and welcoming it in. So that's what this means in terms of how we show up. We are 1,000% responsible for everything in our lives. Everything. So this weekend you're gonna get triggered. We're purposely setting this thing up to trigger the fuck out of you, including our language, including what happens in every little pocket of this weekend. And we set it up so you can look at that and go, how am I the bridge for that? Why does that trigger me? Interesting. Because this is a science experiment on you. We're pulling back and looking with an objective lens and going, huh, interesting. Look what showed up. We're calling you forward because we need more light workers in the world who are truly stepping into who they are, the truth of them, however that is, to be the example so we can shift the planet.
Thank you for being the medicine for everybody in this room, you guys. Personally, have changed my life. And that's for everybody in here. That's for you guys. You guys did that.
Some people, and some of you, know a bunch of stuff. You know a bunch of stuff and you're really smart. But the body, which is a living library and it stores everything you've ever been through, that body has not been given the opportunity to reset from some of the traumas that you've been through in your life. And so no matter how much you know, the body is going, fuck you, we're not going anywhere until this is, or it'll break. I mean, this is the thing. Dis-ease comes into the body and goes, okay, somehow, some way, we're gonna deal with this.